How long can the iPhone 12, which was released 4 years ago, still be used? This is an Apple iPhone 12 that has been used for over 4 years and the battery is wearing out. A customer from the same city brought it in, describing it. This phone was originally purchased for over $7,000. It is still smooth and responsive to use. There are no issues with daily use. The customer mentioned that the battery has not been lasting recently. Additionally, the sound is quite low. They want assistance to fix it. They plan to use it for another 2 to 3 years. They were told. Their request is a routine operation for us. This phone will have its battery replaced. We will still use a high-capacity battery cell for the replacement. After the swap, the capacity will be about 20% more than the original. The battery life will be longer. The performance will also improve. If your iPhone battery is also not lasting, and you are planning to replace it, you can place a group order in the lower left corner of the video. After ordering, choose a nearby store for the replacement. Our repair standards include meticulous repairs and a transparent process. The entire process ensures your satisfaction and peace of mind. Next is the complete battery replacement process. Apple users, please follow us. Watch slowly. Do you understand? I don't want it. You are just tapping away.